with y'all? It's your boy Kirby Bo, and I am back with another banger, man. And in today's video is gonna be something different. I'm finna be making a Heen Beezy type beat. It's gonna be a pretty dope, interesting video. Without further ado, let's get into it. So as y'all can see, we got our sampler here. What I'm about to do is I'm about to add in another sampler. My first sampler is just here just for my little sounds I got loaded in. All right, y'all, so I had ran into a little problem. Since this isn't like FL Studio and you can't change the pitch through the key tab, I have to kind of do it manually right here. As y'all can see with the WAN sound, I'm kind of just pitching it down and up so I can have a choice of pitches to play around with and not just one sound. Alrighty, let's get into it. Now I'm about to duplicate this over so I can throw the hi-hats on a separate track. Let's get it. Hold on, I messed up. Hold on, let's get it. All right, now the beat sounding like it need like something more, so I'm gonna throw in like a pad. 3, 2. All right, now to spice it up, I'm gonna throw the graphic EQ on there and some reverb. Let's get it. All right, let's get it. But hey, man, that's gonna be the end of the video. If y'all want that wine sound, it's in the description down below. And if y'all want some presets, DM me on Instagram at CURTYYBO. Link is in the description down below. Make sure to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss out on no big body bangers, man. But hey, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace. I'm just trying to run that bag in. These niggas broke and can't stack 10. Hit my little baby for the back end. Like, go, do your big one.